4,000-pound pit bull. 3 bites and he's gone.
Rock versus rock. What is the pit bull's name?
Oh shit!
He is an idiot.
Here we go. Get a foot. Holy crap! Foot almost in his mouth. Oh shit!
Try and get the rock.
Yeah, picked it up with his mouth. My dog has a big mouth. You're not trying to pick it up again, sucker. Dude, if you really want your pit bull to be one of those fighting dogs, you gotta get a dead rabbit or something. Just throw it out there and let him attack, and he'll get the taste of blood. And then he can start attacking. Yeah, but I don't like it like that. Then he'll bite me.
Another rock. What will he do?
Oh shit! Oh shit!